his name?
Bud.
Hi, Bud. You are so cute.
Yeah, cute like you.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my God! It's talking.
Yeah. Hi, buddy.
The things you see in Hollywood. It is a beautiful Sunday here in Hollywood, California. I have my mocha coffee and I am going to the farmer's market. I love my life.
I'd like to know that your love is the love I can be sure of. So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still love me tomorrow?
Thank you so much for being out here and spreading so much love and light during these difficult, dark
Lord,
times.
do we need it? Lord, yes, Lord, we do need it. So, you know, I'm just having fun.
Yes, well, you're lifting the vibration.
There are people that just,
so.
I take them back in time. And they said, oh my God, I remember that song.
Well, you definitely took me back in time and you put me in a really happy mood.
beautiful.
So God bless
That is
you.
beautiful.
And when I get some change, I'm going to come
Take
drop
care,
it in
baby.
your bucket.
No problem.
I'll be back in a few.
All right, sweetheart.
God bless. Okay guys, so I was going to go to the Hollywood Farmers Market, but as you can see, the line is literally like 3 blocks long, so I think that's going to be a hard pass. I really wanted to support that farmers market, but you know, I just can't see myself waiting in a line like that. But the intention was there, right?
The bright, blessed day, the dark, sacred nights, thank you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
How cute are these sunflowers, guys? They're so beautiful. I just love when your friend calls you and he's like, hey, do you want to come over to my friend's house? She's gonna cook Indian food and we're gonna have like India in LA. And I'm like, yeah, hold on, let me throw on my kurta and cello.
Jai ho! Jai ho! Jai ho! Jai ho!
Oh my God, how are you, baby? You are in the spirit. I love it. I love your little Indian shirt too. It's so funny because I brought you one as well.
You brought me an Indian gift?
Yes, from India.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is so thoughtful. I'm actually gonna rock this.
I know. I was like,
Thank
this would
you.
be perfect for you. I brought back like a bunch of stuff when I was there.
That's so thoughtful. Thank
Of
you.
course.
We have dinner for you.
Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells so good.
Oh, thank you. Setting
Oh my
up.
God, hi.
Oh, I'm not allergic to cats.
No, not at all. Hi, baby. Wow, this looks delicious.
Thank you.
If only people could smell how.
So I want to make sure.
Nice to meet you, I'm
Nice.
Jessica.
I'm Michelle.
Nice
How
to
are
meet
you?
Pleasure.
Hey, so no, perfect timing. All
Yeah.
the dishes. And I have dessert too.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, I did a, what is it? Indian rice pudding.
Wow. Why do you like to cook Indian food?
Well, I just like to cook in general, but you know, with Indian food, it all kind of started because of COVID, actually.
Yeah.
Because I'm
Is it just like a new skill that you
good.
learned?
No, well, I've always known how to cook. It's just not how to cook Indian food.
Yeah.
And so I got really paranoid because not like about getting takeout. So I was like, I can cook better than this. So I just
Yeah.
started cooking. You know, because I've always loved cooking. It's just with Indian food, it can be a bit intimidating because there's like a gajillion ingredients.
Yeah.
But once you figure it out, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I made my first Indian rice pudding this morning, so
Oh,
we'll see how
wow.
that turns out.
Okay, so what is everything?
Okay, so this is chicken curry, veggie korma, Indian carrot rice, and aloo gobi.
This is like one of my favorites. Oh my god, what is this?
It's an Indian rice pudding.
Oh my god, I love it.
So hopefully you like it. It's my first time making it, but it has cardamom, tarragon, and saffron. There we go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Michelle, those are
Yes. So you're like this.
amazing herbs.
Let's try. It's a little cold. It's because I wanted it cold. Okay, let's try this. It's good. Just to have something kind of yummy. All right. Is it
I
good?
love my life.
Yay! We got it.
So how does this garnish at the top work?
I figured I always wanted to end with a dessert since we had so many savory things. You liked it? Good, yay.
Wow.
Because I love a rice pudding. I used to
What
have
more do you
one.
want in life? We love our life!
Yes. It's like, this is one of my favorite dishes.
We love our life!
Oh my god, food coma right now, Michelle. The food was so good. Thank you so much for having me.
Well, you're very welcome.
So I understand you have an Instagram where you post about your food. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, my name is Michelle Sison, and my blog is Sison Eats on Instagram. And I kind of started it because of COVID, because couldn't really eat anywhere, and I just started cooking away. And I was so excited to finally have an adult dinner with my friends.
Yes.
So I made a 5-course meal. So we had rice and veggie korma, chicken curry, carrot rice, and a lovely Indian rice pudding. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.
We did. Thank you so much, Michelle.
You're very welcome.
See you soon.
Yay.
Oh, can I have you say I love my life
I love my life.
for the YouTube? Yeah.
Okay, wait,
So
hold
we'll
it.
just like hold something in.
All right.